Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to edit STL file in FreeCAD. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Now first thing what we need to do, basically first step is let's head over here at the top to the file, really left top side, and then click on you can do it on import or open. So let's go to the import, but what I need to do is open up empty file here, file, and then import. Now I will open up here STL file, just like that, open. All right, as you can see now we have here a dragon in here. All right, so the second step is that we need to switch the workbench. So select here at the top where you see part design or something else. You need to select part, just the part, just like that. And now what we need to do is generate a shape. So click on the imported mesh object in the left tree if you see it. I don't know why I don't see it. So, but it is selected now, as you can see. So select the uh, object. Now what we need to do is go to the top menu right here and select part, create shape from mesh. So we need to find create shape from mesh right here. Click on it. Set the tolerance so smaller numbers preserve higher geometric details. Okay, so I can't. Okay, so we can change it. Let's say 0.01 and then click OK. It will probably take a few moments to do that. Okay, so now that you can see, we have these lines, black lines right over here. So what we are going to do now is basically, let me select, all right, this kind of way. Now select newly generated shape. So this one right here. Let's head over here to the part again and convert to solid. Okay. All right. Now we will see here a dragon file in here solid, so that we want it. Now what we are going to do is merge the messy triangular mesh lines into flat workable cat faces. So select your new solid. So this is this one. Again, we need to go to the part and we will create a copy and then refine shape. All right, so now what we can do, we can hide these basically models which we imported and then edited, because we have now this how to say it, refined body right here. And now what we can do is basically start to edit solid body. So how we do that, we will switch back to part design workbench here at the top. So this one, part design. And now what we can do is right click on the body. Okay, and yeah, we can start basically edit, right click on it, and yeah, we can, for example, we can select here one part right, sorry, one part, right click on it and then fit all. So just like that, now it's fitted perfectly. And yeah, now you just need to play with it and yeah, it's basically ready to do um, the thing right here. So you can change it now, you can drag it, whatever you will select. Right here you can create new sketch, you can filter, draft, and so on. Yeah. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next